Hello everyone, hope you're well. Today I'm showing a very simple fish recipe. Fish is a dish which is enjoyed by most Bengalis, and in this recipe you can easily make it at home. If your domestic help is not around, you can make this fish recipe with some fishes. Like I've got some fillets over here. You can do it with any fish that you have at home, preferably boneless fish, or even if there are some bones, it is not a problem. This recipe can be done in the microwave itself, which most of you might have at home. It will save you from the risk of going near the fire or cooking near the fire if you're not very comfortable. And to make this, we just need some very simple home ingredients which can be easily available or stored in your stock at home. You don't need to struggle to get them. One is simple table salt. Second is vegetable oil or cooking oil, or if you have some mustard oil or olive oil at home, you can use any type of oils. And if you have got some mustard paste or mustard powder. So these three ingredients basically will help you make this particular dish. All you have to do is take a pinch of mustard, pour it on top of the fish. Next, take a pinch of salt and then take the oil and pour it over the fillets, the pieces of fish. The amount of oil you want to pour is up to you. So if you are suffering from any health conditions where you're not supposed to consume a lot of oil, you can use a lesser amount. You can use olive oil, you can use home vegetable oil, and then mix the fishes properly. So all we have here is salt, mustard, bit of fish, and amount of oil adjusted according to your needs. Following this is a microwave which I have at home. Different appliances of microwave are going to vary, but there's always going to be a start button and some power levels. And there will always be a spring depending on the type of appliance you're using. Push the spring, the door of the microwave will open. Gently, carefully place this inside the microwave. Close the door. In this microwave, I've got a standard power level. All the microwaves will have some timings written on top of them. So here I've got 10 seconds, 1 minute, 10 minutes. So depending on your microwave, you'll be having times written on top of this. So here I'm selecting, because I have done this recipe before, I'm selecting I need around 4 minutes for this. So I don't have a 4-minute option here. So I'm pressing 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you're done setting the time, all you have to do is press the start button. Then take a step back away from the microwave and let it cook the fish. To know if the microwave is running properly, you are going to see that the time that you had set it to in the beginning is gradually going down. Like it's already 3 minutes 30 seconds left from the time I started, and the initial time I set was 4 minutes. can hear some sounds inside the microwave. You don't have to get alarmed. Just make sure that it's cooking. For some microwaves, you might have to put the fish for a longer time. So here I gave it for 4 minutes. You might need to keep it for 10 minutes or 15 minutes instead. So as you can see, the time is coming down. And I'm getting some lovely smell of fish over here. We are almost done. So in the same way, press the spring. You can see that the fish is warm, boiling inside. Try to take some rag with you, something to hold it so that you don't touch the warm fish. As you can see, the fish is lightly cooked. And now it's ready. All you have to do is turn the fish upside down. Then put it inside the microwave again and keep heating it for another 4 to 5 minutes. And after that, your mustard fish is going to be ready to eat. If you have any questions or any doubts, we can discuss that. Thank you.